Hi everyone, welcome to an SMB Solutions Cloud Services training video. So what I'm going to show you today is a few tips on troubleshooting. Now the background information on why we're actually doing this today is we actually in the cloud we keep disconnected sessions open for about 60 minutes. Now the reason that we do this is if a customer gets disconnected, whether it's due to poor internet connectivity or for whatever reason they accidentally close their session, they won't actually lose their progress as it won't completely shut down. It'll keep that session open, so when they open it back up, they won't lose any progress. Whereas on the other end of the spectrum, if your SAP session freezes, and you just try to close that program and open it back up again, it's going to reopen to that frozen session, and you definitely don't want to do that. So what I'm going to show you is basically what should be your first step to troubleshooting, which is properly closing or properly logging off all of your sessions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to the start bar. I'm going to scroll down through my programs until I get to a folder. Now this folder is called SMB Solutions Cloud Services, so just this one here. Now my folder is going to look a lot busier than yours because I'm one of the administrators here at SMB Solutions. For yourselves, it's going to look a lot more simple. So what you want to look for is this black icon here where it says log off all my sessions. So once you click that, give it about a minute or two to do its thing. And if you open SAP back up again after that, 9 times out of 10, it will open back up again. Now, if for whatever reason it doesn't open back up again, of course, as always, definitely feel free to reach out to us, okay? Now, another reason why you might want to use this troubleshooting trick as well, of course, your cloud session is connected to your local computers and your local printers. So if for whatever reason, whether it be again due to that poor internet connectivity or something along those lines, your connection to your printer drops out. That's a good step to start that sort of troubleshooting process again. So if you exit out, log off all your sessions, start it back up again, 9 times out of 10, the printer will be back and it'll be ready to go for you. So as I said, if you do this process and you're still having issues, it's still not opening up the way you want to, of course, always feel free to reach out to us either via phone, email, or through the ticketing system. And if you've enjoyed this video today, we've got heaps more tutorials and tips and tricks on how to use SAP as well as how to use the cloud, the SMB Solutions Cloud platform. We've got a YouTube channel, we've got a Wistia channel, and we've also got heaps of resources on our SMB Solutions website. So we actually have a brand new FAQ page, so if you head on over there and check it out, if you prefer to read your answers rather than watch a video, we've got that option available for you as well. So I hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.